On today's video, I'm going to show you what I have been doing lately to my hair before I go to bed. I wanted to show you this routine for two reasons. Number one, because people do ask me how I wear my hair to bed to protect it from any damage. And number two, because I think that this particular bedtime routine that I have been doing for the past few months has been significantly contributing to my hair growing thicker and longer than it has in a really long time. So the first thing I do, if my hair is up, I take it out. If it's not up, obviously I don't take it out, but I always start after I take my hair out with brushing my hair. I only brush my hair with detangling brushes. So this is a wet brush. I also have the Framer brand of detangling brush that also works really well. Not only do I want to completely detangle my hair, I want to also distribute any oils that have developed throughout the day. Those oils from your scalp are super nourishing to your hair, so I'm really seeing if I can get that distributed through my hair before I go to bed. You want to make sure you're definitely brushing at the nape of your neck to get out any little tangles that happen there, especially in the winter when we're wearing more sweaters and hoods and jackets and scarves. We can get a lot of tangles in this area, which can lead to breakage and matting if we're not careful. So make sure you really are brushing everywhere, not just the top of your head. The next thing I do is I take one of these little shampoo scrubbies. I just got this one off Amazon. It's got like little soft silicone spikes. They're not sharp, it won't hurt. And I massage my scalp. I put it in one spot, I apply like medium to light pressure, and I make circular motions for about 5 to 10 seconds for each section. And I do this all over my entire scalp. This is gonna get blood flow flowing to those hair follicles, which can help to stimulate more hair growth, healthy scalp. Healthy scalp means healthy hair, and healthy hair follicles means more hair growth. It can also help to exfoliate your scalp a little bit to prevent any buildup, clogged hair follicles, anything like that can, if your hair follicles get clogged, then it can impede healthy hair growth, and those hairs can either not grow out of those follicles, or they can grow out weak and puny and hairs that are easily broken and easily shed. So keeping your scalp exfoliated and healthy is really important. Once that is done, I just give it another quick run through with my brush to make sure I didn't create any tangles. Depending on how dry my hair is, where I am in my wash cycle, it might tangle my hair a little bit. And then I'm going to put on a night serum. Now, if you don't have a night serum, you could just put oil on your hair overnight. That's fine too. But I am using the Wella Ultimate Repair Night Serum. And so this is literally exactly what it says. It is meant to go on your head while you sleep. I put on a generous amount. Even if I'm not going to wash my hair the next day, my hair literally just absorbs this while I sleep, and I don't find I notice it at all in the morning. So I put the majority of it on my ends, and then with the rest I run my hands through. It's not going to make your hair feel wet or anything. I mean, you'll feel like product in your hair, but your hair shouldn't look soaking afterwards or anything like that. It's not going to be enough. I then also do my 12 minutes of LED red light and laser therapy. I use my eye restore helmet. So I just leave that on for 12 minutes every night before I go to bed. Usually I will brush my teeth and do any other little things I have to get done while it's on. Pop that off once it's done. And then I just take my hair, I kind of twist it up into like a loose bun, not because it's gonna stay there, just to get it up out of the way while I put on my satin bonnet for the night. I pop that over, making sure all my hair is in, and that's how I sleep. Wearing a satin bonnet like this is going to help protect your hair from friction. It is going to help that friction not to cause any tangles or breakage, anything like that, any more damage than is necessary in your hair. I personally like the satin bonnets with the really wide band, I find them a little bit more comfortable. But if you do have one with a wide band, you do want to be careful if you're trying to preserve your hair for the next day to wear it down, that you don't have it up on your hair too high. You want to make sure you have it down below your hairline. If you have it sitting up on your hairline, it's going to leave your hairline looking a bit funky in the morning. But if you're going to wear your hair up the next morning or wash your hair the next morning, it's really not going to matter. So there we go. Now I'm all ready for bed. I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions about anything I talked about today, let me know in the comments and I will do my best to answer those for you. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe if you're not already a follower here on my channel, because I would love to have you as part of the DIY Hair School family. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye.